Okay, so now I've pinned my paper to there so I know what's in it. See, this is vanilla lavender musk, and that's my ingredients and the date. Okay, so now I have these little straps in here, which are obviously not long enough. It's not coming out. Now, perhaps it's because it needs to be cut away from the edge there. Let's see if I have a knife up here. Nope. The knife went back to the kitchen. Actually, it's not the right knife that went back to the kitchen. It's a different knife. But I can use this one. The big, huge one is actually the best. See, it must be that the soap got out. There we go. Okay. So out she comes. Now I'll keep all these together. And put them back under here. This is this is corrugated plastic. Here we go. And there it is. Isn't that lovely? It's harder on the edges than it is on the front. On the sides, I mean. Just pressing down the sides a little bit. They do harden to be quite stiff. Okay, so that's that. I'll put this back as this. Because I have so many of these boxes now, since I made them all, that I don't want to I don't want to get them all confused. It takes a long time to figure out which box went to which. So I'm going to put this in here. There. So I keep it all together in the box. Maybe I won't lose it. So this